once we push back to the gate here, we will climb up to about 36,000, maybe a little bumpy out here, and then you have some thunderstorms down to the southeast as we move south towards Orlando, so we might be a little bumpy down that way too as well. 2 hours, 52 minutes, takeoff to landing in Orlando. Get your weather updates as we get closer.
Hey, listen, did your dad retire 55? Did he retire again? Yeah. He comes down and eats our wings. He comes down. He's a snowbird. Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, forward door has been shut, which means all those electronics have got to be placed in airplane mode. All large laptops need to be powered off and stowed. We need everyone in a seat with the seatbelt securely fastened. And all of their carry-ons stowed all the way up under that seat in front of you.
If it's all the way off, it's fine. Not cold enough to freeze nothing and just make it sloppy. They might have a plow truck, but there's only one for the whole county. Hey, you need an extension there, Lance?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. If we could have your attention for a few minutes, we're going to point out the safety features of our Boeing 737-800 series aircraft. The property fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckles, release, lift up on the buckle. Seatbelts should be worn low and tight across your hips and at all times while seated. The aircraft is equipped with 8 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 4 overwing window exits, 2 doors in the back. Signs overhead, lights on the floor will lead you to an exit. Safety information card is located in the seat back pocket in front of you. Note, in the event of a water evacuation, there's a life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull down on the red strap to open the container, remove the pouch. Place the vest over your head. Wrap the black strap around your waist. Buckle it in the front and pull to tighten. Once you're outside the aircraft, pull down on the red tab to inflate. To manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. We're coming by to double check seatbelts are fastened, seat back and tray tables are in their full upright and locked position, and all your carry-on items are stowed completely into the seat in front of you. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is never allowed on board, including the aircraft lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in an aircraft lavatory. E-cigarettes are also prohibited on board all of our aircraft. Federal aviation regulation requires passenger compliance with all lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. There are 3 lavatories on board, 1 in the front, 2 in the back. At no time for any reason are you allowed to stand, form a line, or congregate up front. If this forward lavatory is occupied, please remain at your seat until they come out, or you're welcome to use the 2 in the back. We do ask you don't stand in the galley area. Our flight attendants do need to have access to their jump seat if we do encounter some turbulence. Finally, we never anticipate a change in cabin pressure. Should one occur, 4 yellow oxygen masks will fall from the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. You can adjust the mask by using the elastic strap. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a uniformed crew member. Although the bag may not inflate, you will be receiving oxygen. If you're traveling with children or someone needing special assistance, please secure your mask first before assisting them. Thank you so much for your attention. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight into Orlando. Welcome aboard. Alright folks, double check your seatbelts. We've been cleared for departure. Enjoy your flight.